and 30. There is this issue they keep on pontificating all over about the reduction in inflation rate. Kenyans, and this is where the lie lies. And it's about data produced by a credible institution, their own data, and that one of other international agencies. They keep on telling us that inflation has the matter. There's something you call non-core inflation. That encompasses food, energy, and transport. And this data is available all over. As at the end of December 2025, the rate is a true inflation that affects the common man.
You realize we are in political competition, and we need to have what I can call a dignified political competition. We have realized each time we try to assemble, this fearful legion of looters have continued to try and disorganize us. They even send goons to our meetings. And this has happened not just